In the 1930s, in preparation for the initial construction of Interstates 80 and 380, portions of the Clear Creek stream channel were moved and straightened. The City of Coralville, under the Stream Mitigation Bank Program administered by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and Iowa DNR, is beginning an ambitious project to complete a natural stream channel restoration. The stream channel will be lengthened and restored to its natural sinuosity, and eroded stream banks will be sloped to sustain vibrant vegetative growth. Natural wood and rock structures will be added to reduce channel erosion and provide aquatic habitat. Existing flood and derecho-damaged trees will be cleared, and a large tree planting project will place new, flood-resilient tree species in the floodplain where they will not impede the water flow. Through the Stream Mitigation Banking Program, the City of Coralville will be able to sell stream credits totaling over 75,000 units during this phase of the project. The stream credit sales will fund the construction project and long-term maintenance. The journey to restore Clear Creek begins in February 2024, with construction aimed to be completed by September. To learn more about this project and follow along, visit the link on the screen.